Hey guys, I'm Raincloud. Alright, back to life. So, today I got mail and I was too excited to show you. I got the Joshua Bardwell 4-in-1 ESC and the real cool V2 Flight Controller. It should be, actually, like, here's the thing. I'm not even going to show you building it because, or at least connecting these things together, because it is literally just going to be me plugging the stuff together and then soldering my receiver and my camera and all that to the flight controller, and you know, that's very well documented already, and that'll be specific to your uses. You know, as always, just if you have any questions, I'll do my best to answer them. Let's just keep my fingers and your fingers, like, cross them with me. Cross your fingers with me. Don't break it, Raincloud. For the love of God, don't break it. So, this is what's going on my 7-inch frame, and I just hope that the prop issues that we talked about earlier are not actually issues and I was just wrong. One thing that did break today is I couldn't get my DVR to work today, so I'm kind of sad about that. I had my whoop out in public and I flew it in the theater, and it was really cool, but I didn't get any recorded flights. So, yeah, man, stick around to see this work out. It spins. All the props spin the right direction, I believe. According to everything I see, according to all the meticulous patience I've put into this in hopes that it doesn't blow up like everything else. Thanks to all the guys on Drone Hub live stream for shooting some love my way. You guys have been great. Alright, here we go. Alright, now, as I had said before, God, I'm fucking, oh God. Holy moly, this is terrifying. It's huge. Alright, as I said before, I was worried that the props were going to touch, but they just seem to miss each other. So, this is the Raincloud 7-inch arming test. Holy crap. Okay, something went wrong. Alright, test 2. Turns out I had a prop on backwards, like a big dum-dum. But, needless to say, I have learned my lesson, and I hope oh my God. Okay, so, you can hear them. They are definitely touching. I am not a fan of that. Holy crapola. Wow. There you have it. It works. Perfect.